Okay, this is my video reflection number 4. And so this week we spoke a lot about racism having to do with Hispanics, like Latinos. And we saw a video that talked a lot about Cesar Chavez, and I used to hear about him a lot, but I never knew exactly where his journey began with the Chicano movement. And so it all began with in 1946 when he came back from the Navy, and at theaters only whites could sit in the middle because they had like a better view. And then once he went ahead and sat in the middle, and he got arrested, but they weren't able to charge him with anything since it really wasn't a law to not sit in a specific spot at a theater. So after that is when everything came about with the Chicano movement, and there were a lot of like sacrifices and a lot of action that Hispanics or Mexican Americans had to do. Like for example, something I learned about was the Bracero program, which was where Americans who had left for war were replaced by Mexicans who did all of like the labor work. But the problem was that if there were a lot of immigrants, so if they would complain about their job, they would be threatened to get sent back to Mexico. So that was something very interesting. And yeah, just hearing about everything, and also about a lady named Dolores Huerta who took a lot of action. And I feel like this isn't something that I really ever learned about, which I feel like I should have. And so should a lot more people in like middle school and stuff like that, because we always focus more on like the white American history instead of like Latinos or the blacks. So yeah.